Hi guys, today we're playing Solar Smash. Now today we're going to be trying to explode it. Alright. This might be scary, but it is a game.
Hey everyone,
So let's close up this island and then destroy the life on it. Alright, here's it. Alright, so let's put what to start with? Wait, let's try. Alright. So here's oh yes, we are ready. Alright, let's go. Alright. That was a blast. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's show the moon. Oh no, actually. Alright, now let's show the moon. Oh yes. Oh guys, don't listen to them. Alright. So let's go here. Alright. So alright. We're almost there. I'm just good. Alright, let's go destroy the rest of it with a black hole. Come on. Oh god. Oh. OMG. Oh. Alright guys, that might be enough. But now it's time to explode it by exploding the sun. Alright, so now let's grab. Alright. Oh yes. Alright, there's our sun. Alright, so we exploded the sun. And the last collision with it will be the moon. Go ahead. Oh! Alright guys, so that was us exploding it and Solar Smash. Bye!